When did the Constitution of India come into effect? A. 1950, B. 1954, C. 1947 or D. 1968? Which is the largest state in India by area? A. Rajasthan, B. Jharkhand, C. Uttar Pradesh or D. Odisha? Which sport is played at IPL? A. Football, B. Cricket, C. Tennis or D. Hockey? Which is the smallest bird in the world? A. Hummingbird, B. Ostrich, C. Eagle or D. Peacock? Which animal is known as the desert fox? A. Arctic fox, B. Fennec fox, C. Red fox or D. Grey fox? What is the capital of France? A. New York, B. Sydney, C. Canberra or D. Paris? Which is the largest country in the world? A. Russia, B. Malaysia, C. Vatican City or D. Singapore? Which is the smallest ocean? A. Indian Ocean, B. Atlantic Ocean, C. Pacific Ocean or D. Arctic Ocean? Which is the smallest continent? A. Africa, B. Asia, C. Australia or D. Europe? Which is the largest island in the world? A. Greenland, B. Iceland, C. Cuba or D. Java? Which organ helps us in breathing? A. Heart, B. Brain, C. Lungs or D. Kidney? How many bones are there in a newborn human body? A. 240, B. 206, C. 270 or D. 216? Which planet is known as the morning star? A. Jupiter, B. Saturn, C. Mercury or D. Venus? Which gas do plants release during photosynthesis? A. Oxygen, B. Helium, C. Carbon dioxide or D. Hydrogen? Which planet comes after Earth in the solar system? A. Saturn, B. Mercury, C. Venus or D. Mars? When is World Earth Day celebrated? A. 22nd November, B. 22nd April, C. 22nd October or D. 28th November? Who was the first Vice President of India? A. Dr. Rajendra Prasad, B. S. Radhakrishnan, C. Zakir Hussain or D. Jawaharlal Nehru? What is the currency of Europe? A. Rupee, B. Dollar, C. Yen or D. Euro? Which sea lies between Asia and Africa? A. Red Sea, B. Indian Sea, C. Black Sea or D. Arabian Sea? Which is the highest waterfall in the world? A. Niagara Fall, B. Victoria Falls, C. Angel Fall, or D. Joke Fall?